Some advice that I would want to offer: just to go for it.
To always keep your head up.
Don't let anything stop you.
Fully be a part of the experience.
Really take advantage of StrongPoints.
Reach out to your professors.
Follow your path.
Get involved on campus.
Coming into college, I was very, very shy and quiet, but I wanted to make my experience worthwhile. Making that effort and taking that risk to just go for anything that you want to achieve in college is beneficial and definitely will help you out in the long run.
Some pieces of advice I would give to another first-generation college student is to always keep your head up. You're bound to face obstacles that a lot of your peers might not face, but you have to remain resilient and strong because you will see it through and you will one day graduate college.
I feel like you should get the whole college experience, You earned it. Don't let anything stop you. When I'm talking to wing students or transfer students, I let them know that just don't come to get your education. Be involved, get involved. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. You don't know if you don't try.
Advice. I would say to fully be a part of the experience, be present as much as you possibly can, and honestly to make really good friends who care about you and have the same morals as you and want you to be successful and to thrive.
Really take advantage of StrongPoints and work with the StrongPoints advisors to really find what makes sense with your collection of strengths. I thought I wanted to be a doctor based off of my strengths. That doesn't really make sense for me, but research really falls in line with my strengths and I am happier than I ever thought I could be.
If you are ever struggling, make sure you go out and get the help that you need. Reach out to your professors. They're here for a reason. Don't be afraid to do it because they're here definitely to help you and get you through. Because Meredith is so small, you can connect with your professors on a more personal level. They want to see you succeeding here at Meredith.
You definitely want to follow your path. During the beginning of my journey in freshman year, when choosing my major, I was definitely listening more so to others than to myself. Taking different classes, talking to my professors, I was able to really hone in on who I was, which was a teacher who loved moving and being active. Being able to put those two things together really made me find myself here at Meredith.
Coming to Meredith, I was really nervous about whether or not I would find people who were like me or people I could connect with. But even though Meredith is really small, I found that there are people on campus who you can find, who you can connect to, and that has been really helpful in helping make sure that I do have fun. And those connections are really meaningful to me. They're not just, surface level people I see on the way to class, but they're people that I spend most of my time with outside of class.
Get involved on campus. What you're going to remember is the connections you make with your classmates, the staff members, and the faculty members here on campus. And so I found it really important to be able to make those connections and have those relationships because those are the people who are going to support me. They're going to be people who help me network later in life, and they're people who are going to be there for me.